In this video, I'm going to help you personally answer the question, do you consume a 4-pound bag of sugar each month? Now before you click off this video because you think, no way, I challenge you to watch at least the first half of this video because most of you consume more sugar than you think. Hi, my name is Dan Hammer. I'm part of the Million Lives Project, and our goal is to help 1 million people or more understand how they can naturally reset their gut health to significantly improve their health and wellness. And healing a leaky gut is critical to your overall health. These 5 key steps are essential to addressing a leaky gut. Today, we're going to focus on sugar consumption. For you to effectively address a leaky gut, you're going to need to reduce your sugar consumption. So let's get back to my question. Do you consume a 4-pound bag of sugar every month? Now be careful how you answer this question. Most people would say, no way. But the reality is that they and most of America are consuming a 4-pound bag of sugar every 2 to 3 weeks. Sugar is everywhere and cleverly disguised. 7 years ago, I produced a video in this area. Its reality is still the same. Here's a short segment from that video. So, what is this ingredient? It's sugar. What? You say you don't consume very much sugar? Well, let's look and see if this is really true. For the clients that I work with, I ask them to keep a simple food diary. It's an important tool in helping them pinpoint their problem areas. Here's an example of what a food diary can tell you, especially regarding sugar consumption. On the screen, I've placed a copy of this person's food diary. Immediately, I can see several key items that could make a significant difference in their weight loss goals and overall health. We'll cover some additional issues in a future video, but for this one, we're just going to concentrate on sugar intake. Now, I've taken a copy of their food diary and I've added calories and grams of sugar consumed. I think this will be an eye-opener for you as it was for my client. There are 3 items that immediately jump off the page for me. They are breakfast, mid-morning snack, and their lunchtime beverage as it relates to their sugar consumption. Now, you need to know one important fact. 4 grams of sugar is equal to 1 teaspoon. This means that for every 4 grams of sugar you consume, you are actually putting 1 teaspoon of sugar into your body. So let's examine the food items that stood out. Here's breakfast. You've got the donut and you've got their medium vanilla chai. Now you might think that the chocolate donut is the biggest problem since the vanilla chai sounds healthy. Here's the sugar facts. Chocolate donut, 270 calories and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Medium vanilla chai, 330 calories and 45 grams of sugar. That's 11 teaspoons of sugar. Would you knowingly put 11 teaspoons of sugar in anything that you drink? Our next item is the strawberry Yoplait yogurt. Sounds nutritious. Plus you're getting your calcium. Calories are 170, which is good, but it contains 26 grams of sugar. This is 6.5 teaspoons of sugar. One final item I'm going to target is a medium Coke. It comes in at 210 calories and 58 grams of sugar. This is 14.5 teaspoons of sugar. Just these 4 items. There are 142 grams of sugar. This is 35.5 teaspoons of sugar. That's almost 1/3 of a pound of sugar. Consume this 7 days a week and you have consumed approximately 2 pounds of sugar per week. Maintain this type of American diet and you're consuming a 4-pound bag of sugar every 2 to 3 weeks. That's right, Most Americans are consuming a 4-pound bag of sugar every 2 to 3 weeks. Sugar causes oxidative stress to your body, especially to your skin and endothelium. This means that sugar directly damages these areas of your body. Is it any wonder why diabetes is at an epidemic rate in America? Now, in the video, I talked about how sugar is damaging your skin and the lining of your cardiovascular system. Sugar is also damaging the lining of your small intestine. Outside of wheat, this is the #1 contributor to poor digestive health. And the reason why is that sugar feeds yeast, candida, and bad bacteria, all of which can create toxins that damage the lining of your intestine, as well as eat holes in your intestinal wall, leading to a leaky gut. Plus, sugar creates inflammation, which adds to the problem. Your job is to keep your daily sugar intake to under 4 teaspoons per day. That's 16 grams of sugar. Here is an image that will help you learn how to quickly identify foods that are high in sugar. As I showed in my original video, find the line that says sugars and divide the number by 4. This will help you know how many teaspoons of sugar are in the food or drink you're thinking of consuming. While it might taste good going down, sugar compromises your health in multiple ways. Now, in our next video, we're going to discuss which is better for your gut, animal protein or vegetable protein. If you haven't taken our Leaky Gut survey, then click on the URL address at the start of the description below. This will take you to a landing page that gives you access to the survey. Just enter the needed information and take the survey. If you have any questions, then please either email me at dan@agingnomore.com or call me directly at 630-936-8079. Remember, the goal of the Million Lives Project is to help 1 million people or more understand how they can naturally improve their health by improving their gut microbiome. If you have benefited from this video or any of our videos in our Leaky Gut series, then please share them with family and friends. Together, we can make a positive impact in their gut health and overall wellness. Thank you, and have a blessed day.